Hello neighbors! Today I'm off to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve to conquer Singapore's highest peak at a whopping 534 feet above seawater. That's 164 meters. Hey, you slay the dragons you have, man. First order of business, though, is to get through this sketchy intersection on foot.
Oh my God!
I'm okay, I'm alright. I'm told that climbing all the way up to Bukit Timah summit is one of the hardest hikes in all of Singapore because of the elevation. Now, 164 meters doesn't sound that hard to me, and this guy is wearing blue jeans. So how hard can this be really? And the answer is, as difficult as I can make it. Starting all the way down south, we're traveling the rough road today, baby. Surprise, surprise, the first section of this trail is actually a super steep incline. I mean, look at this. Look at the angle of the guardrail versus the trees in the background, man. This is steep. And it goes on for a while too. Now, it's not easy, but it's not difficult either. And after a while, the incline levels off, and I'm reaching the top. I mean, is this it? Oh, wait, stairs. Lots and lots of stairs. Big stairs, small stairs, busted stairs, stairs for days. Okay, I think I see the top. Nope, nothing but stairs. God damn, man, I wish I brought a slinky. Okay, I get it. It's difficult, but it's fun. One of those stop or my mama will shoot warning signs. Do they really shoot trespassers in Singapore? If none of this seems difficult to you and you've never been to Singapore before, remember this. It's 35 degrees Celsius outside at all times with 100% humidity, plus I'm Canadian. So, you know, I think I'm making good time. 22 minutes, 53 seconds on the dot to be precise. Well, there's bound to be more to this place. So how about I head into the jungle and follow the, quote, difficult yellow path all the way up north? As soon as I clear the summit, the crowd disappears. I got this place almost to myself now. Oh, flashback from the wrestling days. I hate those goddamn things. You hit the corner turnbuckle, scratch half the skin off your back. Not good. Not a single soul for the last 15 minutes, so I'm taking this off. Once again, I find myself trekking the jungle trails all by my lonesome. I do enjoy those introspective walks in the jungle. I got all of you to keep me company. Okay, where are we at? Started all the way down south. That's the summit. This is where we're at right now. And I'm gonna complete this difficult loop. And I don't know, we'll improvise from there. I like to keep it fast and loose on the planning, because surprise is the spice of life. Dairy Farm Nature Park, huh? Yeah, that sounds like something I want to check out. Bukit Timah is essentially a mountain. The trail goes up, and then the trail comes down. You're going to be climbing and descending a whole lot of stairs. This also means that the forest around here is 100% pure, uncut, unspoiled, unmolested, original gangster, prime rainforest. It has its own looks, it has its own smells, and it has its own sounds. And I absolutely love it. There ain't a lot of people on the trail today. And every single person I encounter is bitching about the harshness of this trail. And I don't get it. Sure, there are stairs, and you have to work for it, but maybe I'm the weirdo. It's all about delayed gratification. That stuff, it will stick with you. I discovered a long time ago back in Canada that going on solo daily trips like this completely shuts my brain to anything but the present moment. I don't think about work, I don't think about home, I don't think about anything. It's all the benefits of meditation, plus you are burning a whole lot of calories in the process. I call this active mindfulness. Think of it this way. You are spending time with the only person you cannot escape from. And learning to get along with yourself is one of the best things you can ever do to be happy in life. For all of the bitching that's happening on this trail, I gotta say, the whole thing is poured with concrete. So, however us little pedestrian might bitch about this, the heroes who built this thing deserves all the credit in the world, man. The sun is getting lower in the west, but to the north, there's a storm gathering. Time to head for lower ground. I woke up excited and pumped today, ready to slay Bukit Timah summit. But after spending hours walking the trails, climbing stairs and descending stairs and climbing some goddamn more, the only thing I've really achieved today is to get some most welcome inner quiet. Time to hustle out of this valley and join up with the paved road I was on at the very beginning of this trip. And not a moment too soon, because the equatorial skies are about to open up. Got me out of my reverie, man.